All right, you got our strike water up to temperature, 165 degrees. Got 9 pounds of German Pilsner. We're gonna add it to the mash tun. I got 2.8 gallons of water. Stir it in as I go so you don't get mashed, basically mash balls.
Turned off your water.
Yep, now we're just stirring it to make sure there's not any balls down there, just making it nice and thin. Target temperature is 151 degrees after it's been mixed in the cooler. Then we will cap it off and let it sit for 1 hour.
What are you doing now?
Just put in water in this bucket, the laundering bucket,
It's hot water. It's
hot
boiling.
water.
It's very hot water.
170 degrees.
All right, now what are you doing?
Bring this laundering tun up so we can let gravity do the work for us.
Gravity!
Gravity.
Gravity.
Physics is amazing, bitch!
What's about this bucket right here?
That is just a sanitized solution with a stirring spoon on it.
If you want the sanitized solution to work well, you have to stir the solution.
You put anything that touches the beer in there, right?
That provides a
Correct.
good mixture. This is homebrew. Karlsdorf style.
Okay, what's next?
We're recirculating the mash in this fancy vase provided by Stephanie Hubbard.
Will, why do you recirculate the mash?
Good question, Carl. We do it for clarity, and we do it to get the chunks of sediment out.
Oh, that's very clear now.
Yeah,
Wow, that's beer already?
almost.
Well, what is it? What do you mean almost?
It's worked.
Recirculation.
Try not to disturb the mash bed. Do this a couple times, and then we will start to sparge. Begin in the sparge. So taking the water at 170 degrees and creating a little rain down effect on the grain bread. And that is to stop the enzymes from converting into sugars. Then we will start to drain it into the boil kettle shortly.
What's happening now?
We're just running off the beer from the mash tun to the boil kettle
Sparging.
and simultaneously sparging. Yes, Carl. From there, we will bring it up to a boil and then add our hops. To be continued. All right, so part of beer brewing is science. So what we have here is a pH tester. We want to be between 5.1 and 5.6. At the upper end of the threshold, but within reason. Also, we have a refractometer. We're doing instant gravity readings along the way. Started out at 1080, and we will cut off the sparge and flow of the beer from the mash tun at 1010 to reduce the possibility of unnecessary tannins. Starting to boil, so it's time to add the hops.
God.